Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable and manage volume balance for the headphones JBL Live Flex 3. You have to start by open JBL application, then scroll down and right here at the line left-right sound balance, click on it to enable it. And now choose the best one for you. You wanna make it more to the right, so you move to the right. If you wanna make it more for the left one, you move to the left one. And also you can click again and disable sound balance. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!